Sunglasses. Okay, here they are. I should try these on. Gotta be careful with the packaging here, it actually gets jammed in there. There we go. Alright. And I feel they actually look a little crooked. Should I try these? Yep, they're probably the most uncomfortable. Well, they're actually not that uncomfortable, but anything with the little, you know, slippery eyepiece here, maybe just bend it a little. I'd call this a spare pair of sunglasses. They're not. They're a little stiff there. That's kind of floppy, and this part's stiff. Yeah, definitely not not the best sunglasses. They don't even look good. So, not bad for a spare.